In this video, we'll show you what happens when a prize draw is ready to take place. First, log in as an administrator. From the main navigation, head to Admin and then Events. And then for your prize draw event, click Prizes from your Event Management menu. The Hold Prize Draw button only becomes available in your Event Prizes page when the following criteria has been met. The date for the prize draw has passed. The sales for the prize draw exceed £40, euros or dollars, which is due to costs associated with using a completely random and audited process for handling the draw. You will not be able to run the draw if sales are less than this. The number of entrants exceeds the number of prizes. For example, if only 3 entries had been received and you had 4 prizes, it would not be possible to run the prize draw, as the number of prizes exceeds the number of entrants. Once you have selected the Hold Prize Draw option from the Manage menu, a modal window will appear with a free text box for you to add some generic information to your prize winners, such as how to collect their prizes. Then click the Hold Prize Draw button to run the final draw process. You will be informed that the prize draw has been run successfully, and your prizes page will show all winning ticket holders as well as winning ticket numbers and order IDs. All winning ticket holders will receive notification via email that they have won a prize, which will also contain any generic information you previously entered. And that's it, you have now successfully held your prize draw. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to adding classes. Thanks for watching.